Hello, just another quick short video. Okay, this is where I'm at with my Hiesbok glider. I've put the laminate on. I think that looks alright like that. I might put a coat of clear on. I've got some trim lines, so I might do a little pattern or something. That bolt there is just temporary at the moment. I want to get a smaller one. Now I've got a problem. I cannot find my brick receiver with the onboard servo, so I'm going to have to use these. So I don't know how I'm going to put them in. I might have to drill sort of router this bit out. If I cut off the mounting brackets, I might be able to fit these in. The idea being I'll have to grind this balsa out just to the level of the plywood laminate here, and just have the servo horn just poke out through a slot in the laminate. So yeah, it's going to take a bit of fiddling around, but I'm sure we can do it. And I'll have some push rods going here. I've got some push rod outer here which I got from Minimum RC, and I'll just bit hard to do it with one hand, just route it up here somehow. I do have some linear servos, but to mount that so that it's... Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand, as you can appreciate. But to mount that way... Hello, Tiger. Tiger. Oh, pretty girl. I would have to make some spaces, as you can see, because they sort of only mount that way. And if I do it this way, that's going to interfere with the laminate on this side, if that makes sense. Sorry, I'm not explaining myself very well. Yeah, it's going to be tricky. I'll have to have a good think. If you've got any ideas, let me know. I mean, I could mount them back here, but then I'd have to try and drill into the fuselage, and I don't fancy doing that. I should have done that beforehand. So this is really the only place that the servos can go. So I hope that makes sense. If I mount them with the horns that way, and then I mount another one that way, I'm really going to have to... Oh, I might get away with it without having to router that or grind that out. Yeah, it might be a bit of a tricky one, but I'll do the slots first and then see how we go. The slots for the horns. Yeah, so a bit of brainstorming needing. Oh, Tiger! What are you doing? Eh? And there's your brother. Okay, here we go.